everyone, and welcome to my channel Get Sewn For You today. And I'm super excited to be here, as this is my first video for this channel. This is an introduction video just to let you know what the channel is about. However, I think the word sewing in the title gives it away. So if you're a beginner and intermediate, this channel's for you. I'll also share a beginner's guide on using a machine and getting you started. I'll also delve into some basic sewing tips, accessories required for your machine, the essential tools that you need for your sewing corner, as well as upcycling, felting, free motion sewing, quilting, and loads more throughout the channel to get you started on your sewing experience, as well as products that can help and aid you throughout your journey. Now, speaking on products, earlier this year, pre-coronavirus, pre-first UK lockdown, I actually purchased a machine, Uten. I'm really not quite sure how I pronounce it, so I'm going to pronounce it as it looks, Uten. Now, this is a fantastic little machine, and it packs all the features of your branded sewing machine that are out there on the market. It is really good. The day that I got it, I unboxed it, unpacked it, I set it up, and I practically spent the whole day in darning fabrics or clothing that has seen better days, making masks, you name it, I actually did it. I gave it a real beating. I mean, it ran through its pace. Now, one of the things I want to do in my next video, and the reason for doing it, is to actually do a demonstration on this machine. Reading reviews on this machine, and they were positive reviews. People had a little bit of difficulties with the functionalities, error codes. So in my next video, coming up real soon, I'm actually going to go through the functionality and the features of this machine. So, have I piqued your interest? Have I? Yes? Okay, well, go ahead. You know what to do. Go on, subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you can receive regular updates of uploads that I put on. Bye for now. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.